Hi friends, welcome to Magic Mustache Math. I am Miss Cosmos and today we are talking about topic 10.3, multiply whole numbers and fractions. And this is on page 471 of your math textbook. So your solve and share says, Emma says that 1/4 times 8 is like separating 8 pizza slices into 4 equal groups with 2 pizza slices in each group. So 1/4 times 8 equals 2. Hannah says that 8 times 1/4 is like 8 people having a fourth of a pizza, which is 2 total pizzas. So 8 times 1/4 equals 2. Chris says it does not matter which way you think about it. 8 times 1/4 is equal to 1/4 times 8. Who do you think is correct? So Chris is actually right. Both Emma and Hannah are correct. And this is because of the associative property of multiplication. So basically what it says is 8 times 1/4 is the same as 1/4 times 8. It's the same type of thinking that we use when we say 2 times 3 equals 6 and 3 times 2 equals 6. It's the same thing. Doesn't matter which way you multiply it, you will get the same answer. Now, if you're taking a look at these visuals, these pictures up here, so Emma said that she separated 8 pizza slices into 4 equal groups. So here are her 4 equal groups, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that there were 2 pizza slices in each group. Now, if you actually look at these pieces and you put them here, you have 2 pieces, 1, 2, 2 pieces, 1, 2. So these 4 pieces equal a whole pizza, and so do these 4 pieces. So if you're thinking about actually rearranging them, these both mean the exact same thing. So that's how they are both right. Go ahead and flip the page. Charlie is watering houseplants for her neighbor. She has 6 plants that each need 2/3 cups of water. How much water does Charlie use for all 6 plants? So we are multiplying a fraction by a whole number. 6 groups of 2/3 can be written as 6 times 2/3. So here's your visual. There are 6 cups and each of them are 2/3 of the way full. So think about multiplication as repeated addition. Right here, 6 times 2/3 is the same as 2/3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. If we were to add all of these together, you would get 2 plus 2 is 4, plus another 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus another 2 is 10, plus another 2 is 12, and your denominator or number on the bottom stays the same, which is what they have over here, 12 over 3, or 4. Because if we pull out our wholes, remember a whole for this fraction right here, because the 3 is on the bottom, would be 3/3. So we have 4 3s in 12. So this is really 3/3, 3/3, 3/3, and 3/3. So we have 4 wholes, which is how they got that 4 right there. Now over here, use properties of multiplication. Use the associative property of multiplication. So the associative property is the one that we just used right here. So 8 times 1/4 is the same as 1/4 times 8. Or remember, 2 times 3 equals 6 is the same thing as 3 times 2 equals 6. That is the associative property. And so what they're doing here, we've got 6 times 2/3. And then in parentheses, they're basically saying that 2/3 can be broken up into 2 1/3, or 2 times 1/3. So now that we've broken this up, we can move our parentheses and we can multiply 6 times 2 first and leave the 1/3 on the outside. So then we come down here and we have 6 times 2 is 12 times 1/3, which gives us the same thing. If we're using our super secret method, 12 times 1 is 12, and then 1 times 3 is 3, or 4. And that's it. Thank you for joining me for Magic Mustache Math. I will see you next time.